Imagine building a skyscraper where the structural integrity depends on duct tape rather than physics. This is effectively how we currently prevent collapse in self-supervised learning. This paper introduces LeJEPA, a method that replaces brittle engineering heuristics with a mathematically provable framework for learning representations. To stop models from outputting trivial solutions, researchers currently play a game of whack-a-mole with engineering tricks like stop gradients or asymmetric views. While these heuristics sometimes work, they result in unstable training processes that are difficult to scale or understand mathematically. Instead of patching leaks, the authors propose rebuilding the foundation based on two theoretical axioms: maximizing prediction agreement and enforcing an isotropic Gaussian distribution. They prove mathematically that this specific distribution is the unique optimal choice for minimizing downstream prediction risk. To implement this efficiently, they utilize a technique called sketched isotropic Gaussian regularization, or SIGReg. By projecting the complex high-dimensional embeddings onto random 1D lines, they can use the Cramer-Wald theorem to ensure the data is shaped correctly without incurring massive computational costs. This theoretical robustness translates directly to generalization, as shown in this figure where the method works out of the box across 50 different model architectures. Whether using vision transformers or convnets, the authors achieved state-of-the-art results using a single fixed hyperparameter. A surprising finding is that LeJEPA trained on small specialized datasets like Galaxy 10 actually outperforms massive foundation models trying to learn on that same data. This suggests that efficient principal training from scratch can be superior to adapting huge models trained on mismatched natural images. Perhaps the most practical advantage is that the training loss correlates nearly perfect with final accuracy, solving the long-standing problem of blind model selection in self-supervised learning. Additionally, despite requiring only about 50 lines of code, the model naturally learns to segregate foreground objects from backgrounds without explicit supervision. By replacing ad hoc heuristics with projections based on the characteristic function of a Gaussian, LeJEPA offers a scalable path forward for self-supervised learning. For more breakdowns of principled AI research, head over to emergentmind.com.